Here's my blueprint for making passive income using ChatGPT. 1. Start by researching and identifying a profitable niche that you can create content for. You can use GPT to help you with this. If you have an idea of an area that you would like to research, you can ask GPT to give you some profitable sub-niches. We can type in, please give me some profitable niches within health and fitness. 2. Experiment with different types of content, such as blog posts, articles, ebooks, and see what resonates with your audience. Look at the type of content that is popular in your chosen niche. 3. Once you have a niche and content format that works, create a content calendar and stick to a regular schedule of publishing new content. 4. Utilize ChatGPT to generate high quality and engaging content quickly and easily. 5. Optimize your content for search engines to increase visibility and drive traffic to your site. 6. Monetize your content through affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and creating your own products. 7. Use analytics to track your progress and adjust your strategy as needed. 8. Invest in promoting and advertising your content to reach a wider audience. 9. Leverage your existing content to create additional revenue streams, such as through email marketing or membership programs. 10. Continuously learn and adapt to the latest trends and best practices in content creation and monetization. Let's take a look at where you can publish your content to start generating passive income. 1. Start by creating a blog or website where you can publish your content and monetize through affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and creating and selling your own products. 2. Consider publishing content on popular social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter to reach a wider audience. 3. Utilize platforms like Medium, LinkedIn, or Quora to publish articles and reach a niche audience. 4. Publish ebooks on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or other ebook platforms to generate passive income through book sales. 5. Create YouTube videos and monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. 6. Consider starting a podcast and monetizing through sponsorships and affiliate marketing. 7. Utilize marketplaces like Etsy, Teespring, and Redbubble to sell digital and physical products. 8. Submit your content to third-party websites that pay for guest posts or articles. 9. Use a membership site or subscription service to generate recurring revenue from your content. 10. Continuously explore new platforms and opportunities for publishing and monetizing your content.